Hello students, I am Raja Chauhan from Lakshya International School Maheshwar. Today we are going to learn chapter 4 Exponents and Power of class 8th Mathematics. First we will see the introduction of exponents and power. You already learn about exponents and power in your class 7th. So you know that we write 4 to the power 5. It means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. It means 4 multiplied by itself 5. Here is the base and the exponent. Okay, 4 is the base and 5 is the exponent. We read 4 to the power 5. Okay, 4 raised to the power 5. Now we will see here example is given here. 7, 6 and zeros are there. So 7.6 and we return 10 to the power 19 here. Okay, so we will see how we can write this in our questions also. Now negative exponent. Negative exponent means 2 to the power minus 1. Suppose 5 to the power minus 3. These are the negative exponent. Now how we can write the power minus 2 or minus 3 in a positive, okay, in a positive manner. So 1 divided by 5 raised to the 2 divided by 5. So this is a manner we can write in a negative exponent to the positive. Okay, now we will see which is given here. A by B whole raised to the power minus m equals to B by A whole raised to the power 5. Here you can see A by B has minus 5. When we did the reciprocal of 8 means it will become B by A. The negative sign of exponent will become the positive sign. Now on the basis of this concept we will solve exercise number 4.1. Question number 1. Write the following with positive exponent. Question number 1. 5 raised to the power minus 2. So how we can write? 1 divided by 5 raised to the power 2. Here you can see there is 5 raised to the power minus 2. Now how we can write in a positive? 1 by 5 raised to the power 2. 5 minus 2 equals to 1 by 5. Okay. Like in the same manner, second question, 7 raised to the power minus 3. 7 raised to the power 3. So like this you have to solve this question. Now you can see question number 5th, minus 2 raised to the power minus 4. Now 1 by minus 2 raised to the power 4. Okay, so like this. Now question number 2, find the value of the following. Question number 1, 6 raised to the power minus 1. Here same manner you have to solve the question. This will be the answer, means we have to write the negative exponent to the positive value. Now we have question number 2, 4 raised to the power minus 3. 4 raised to the power minus 3. So here we directly solve the question. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Now when we will solve this, 1 into 1 into 1 we will get 1. 4 4 is a 16, 4 16 4 is a 64. This will be the answer. Now we will see question number 6th. 1 by 3 to the power minus 5. So how we will write, how we will make it positive? You can make positive by 3 raised to the power 5. Okay, so 3 raised to the power means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So when you will multiply them, you will get 243 as answer. Now we will solve question number 9. Minus 10 raised to the power minus 4. Okay, now how we can solve this? 1 by 10 to the power. Now when you will solve this, 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into 1 by 10, or you can directly write 1 divided by 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 like this. So what will be the answer? 1 and 4 zeros. Okay, so like this. All the answers are given here, so you have to solve these questions from the given answers. Now question number 3. Write the following numbers in the expanded form in the power of 10. Now we have to write in the power of 10 in expanded form. Okay. Now you can see the decimal points all are in the decimal. So first we will write, you can see 128. How we can solve? 100 plus 20 plus 8, then plus. Now how we can write divide? 2 by 10 plus 3 by 100. Now we have to write this in the power of. So how we can write? For 100 we can write 1 into 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 means 1 has 2 zeros. Okay. Suppose power 5 means 10 has 5 zeros. Like this. So now how we can write? 1 multiply 10 to the power 2 because it is 100 here. Then 22 into 10 to the power 1. 8 we have to write direct. Now 2 divided by 10 means 10 to the power 0. 10 to the power 0 equals to what? Equals to 1. Now plus 2 into 10 to the power minus 1. Why we write minus 1? Because 2 divided by 10 equal to 0.2. So we can write 2 into 10 to the power minus 1. Now same here, 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. So like this you have to solve this question. Now question number 2, you can see 50 plus 6 plus 4 divided by 10. Here there will be the division sign. Plus 5 divided by 100 plus 6 divided by 1000. Now 5 into 10 to the power 1, 6 into 10 to the power 0. Now 4 into 10 to the power minus 1, 5 into 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 3. Now we will solve question number 6. 926.485. So 900 plus 20 plus 6 plus 4 divided by 10, 8 divided by 100, 5 divided by 1000. Now 9 into 10 to the power 2 plus 2 into 10 to the power 1 plus 6 into 10 to the power 0 plus 4 into 10 to the power minus 1 plus 8 into 10 to the power minus 2 plus 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Like this you have question. Now question number 4, write the reciprocal of the following. First question is 7 to the power minus 3. Okay, so how we can write in a positive? 7 to the power 3. So the reciprocal of this number is 7 to the power 3. This will be the answer. Now question number 2, 8 minus 5 equals to, how we can write in a positive exponent? 8 to the power 5. Now the reciprocal of this one, 8 to the power 5. This will be the answer. Now question number third, 11 to the power 4, same 1 by 11 to the power minus 4. Now the reciprocal of this is 11 to the power minus 4. This will be the answer. Now same question number 4, 5th, 6th also same, 7th also same. All questions are same. We will try question number 8 also, 15 to the power 5. Now we can write 15 minus 5. The reciprocal of this one is okay. So like this you have to solve this question. Write the reciprocal of the following rational numbers: 7 by 8 raised to the power minus 2. Now you can see, you just have to change the sign of the power. Here you can see minus 2. In answer it will become positive sign. 4 minus 4, minus 3 3, minus 6 6, minus 4 4, 3 minus 3 4, 4 minus 3 minus 11 minus 4 4. Now our next topic is law of exponent. Law of exponents. What are the law of exponent? First law is, in multiplication the power will get addition. Okay, power will get addition. Now you can see, if we have question 2 to the power 2 multiply 2 to the power 5. Now here you can see base is same, which is 2. Now what are power? 2 and 5. So the power get addition. Power will be addition 2 to the power 7. So like this you have to solve. If now in second rule, if we have second division, okay, suppose we have question 3 to the power 2 divide 3 to the power 10, then the base is same, that is 3. Now if we have division sign, the power get subtracted. Okay, then 2 minus 10, that is minus 8. So 3 raised to the power minus 8. So like this you have to solve the questions. Now our third rule is, if 2 has power 2, if 2 has power 2 and again it is 2, so we have to multiply them. Means first you have to solve 2 raised to the power 2, and then whatever the answer will be, again you have to find out this power, okay, this exponent. Now same question, fourth property or fourth law, that is x power m into y power m. If the powers are same, then the numbers will get multiplied. You can see here the minus 2 is same here. Then how we can write? 2 into 3 minus 2. You can write like this. Now question number 5, x to the power m upon y to the power m. So if the powers are same in a division, so you can write, suppose we have 1 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5, so we can write 1 by 2 whole to the power 5. So like this. Now 0 is the component. 5 to the power 6 multiply 5 to the power minus 6. So the number will get addition. Why? Because there is multiplication sign. So 5 to the power 6 minus 6. Then 6 minus 6 is 0. 5 to the power 0. And according to the laws of exponent, if a number has power 0, so the answer will be 1. If any number has power 0, suppose we have number 1000 and it has power 0, so the answer will be 1. If we have number 80 and it has power 0. We have answer 1. Now on the basis of this concept, we will solve exercise number 4.2. Question number 1. Find the value of the following: 6 by 7 raised to the power minus 2. Now you can see the power is in minus 2. First we will make the positive sign, so 7 by 6 power 2. Now this 7 into 7 equals to 7 sevens are 49. So 49 by 6 6 are 36. So this will be your answer. Now question number 2. 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 4. 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 4. So we can write 3 raised to the power 4. So 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. Now question number 3. 2 raised to the power minus 2. So we can write 1 by 2 raised to the power 2. Now into 5 raised to the power 0. If any number has power 0, so the value will be 1. So multiply by 1. Now 1 into 1 by 2 into 2. What will be the answer? 1 by 4. Now question number we will solve 7. Now you can see how to make them 3 by 2 to the power 1 multiply 2 by 3 to the power 1. Now 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6 6, 1 1 time, so 1. Now question number 8. 1 by 20 to the power 2 into, now you have to write this, make them positive. So we have to write like this. This will be cancel. Answer will be 1. Now we will solve question number 2. Simplify and write in exponential form minus 8 to the power 2 into minus 8 to the power minus 7. You can see the base is same, which is minus 8, and there is multiplication sign in between them, so the power will get addition. Okay, 2 plus minus 7. Now what will be the answer? Minus 8 plus minus minus 2 minus 7, that is minus 5. So 8 to the power minus 5 will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 2. 6 to the power 3, 6 to the power 2, 6 to the power minus 5. Base is same. Now 3 plus 2 minus 5. Now you can see 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 5, 0. If any number has power 0, the answer will be 1. So 1 is, you can write 1 also, or you can write 6 to the power 0 also. The answer will be 1 only. Now question number 3. 1 by 2 raised to the power 2. Now you can see multiplication sign is there, so 2 minus 5 plus 2. So answer will be minus 2. 2 minus 5 plus 2. Answer will be 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 5. Now question number 4. 6 by minus 11 divide by 6 raised to the power minus 5. Now you can see the division sign is there. This is same. In division sign the power will get subtracted, then minus 11 minus 4. Now 6 power minus 11 minus plus, then 4 Then what will the minus 11 plus 4, that is minus 7. 6 to the power minus 7 will be the answer. Now question number 5. 5 to the power minus 2 into 5 to the power 2. Then there is divide 1 by 5 to the power 2. Now first we will solve this one. Bracket 5 to the power minus 2 and 2, 0. 5 to the power 0. Now divide. We have to write, we can write like this also. Now there is subtraction sign, so 0 plus minus minus plus, so 2. 5 to the power 2 will be the answer. So like this you have to solve this question. All the answers are given here, so you just have to write from the given answer. Find the value of n in the following: minus 3 raised to 5 into 3 raised to the power n equals to minus 3 to the power 4. Now you have to find out the value of n here. So you can see, first you will solve minus 3 raised to the power 5. Here you can see multiplication sign is there. Then 5 plus n, and here minus 3 equals to minus 3 raised to the power 4. Now you can see base are same, so the power will equate here. Okay, 5 plus n equals to 4. When you send minus 5 to the RHS, then 4 minus 5, the value of n will equals to minus 1. So minus 1 will be the answer. Now question number 2. Minus 7 raised to the power 2n divide minus 7 raised to the power 3. There is division sign, then power will get subtracted, means 2n minus 3 equals to, now minus 7 equals to 3, minus 7 raised to the power 3. Now 2n minus 3 equal to 3. 2n minus 3, when we will transfer here, it will become a positive sign. Then 2n equal to 6. 3 plus 6 equals to 6 divided by 2, 3. N equals to 3 is the answer. This one. Now same here, you have to solve question number 3 and 4. Now I will solve question number 5. 5 minus 6 raised to the power 4. Now here base is same and division sign is there, so 4 minus n. Now here 5 by 6. Now you can see 2 and 3 are there, so you can write 2 3s are 6. So you can directly write 5 by 6 raised to the power 6. When there are two powers, so you can multiply both the powers. Okay, means 5 by 6 raised to the power 2 3, so 5 by 6 equals raised to the power 6 here. Now 4 minus n equals to 6. When we will transfer, then you will get answer 2. Now you have to solve question number 6 in the same manner. Now question number 4, evaluate the following: 3 raised to the power 0 plus 4 raised to the power 0 plus 5 raised to the power 0. As you know, if a number have the power 0, the answer will be 1. Suppose here you can see 3 raised to the power 0, 1, plus 4 raised to the power 0, 1, plus 5 raised to the power 0, 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. This is your answer. Now question number 2, 2 by 7, the base is same. Now minus 1, multiplication sign means plus here, 3. Minus 1 plus 3, that is 2 by 7 raised to the power 2. Now you have to find out 2 2s are 4 by 7 7s are 49. So 4 by 49 will be the answer. Now in the same manner you have to solve Question number third is very easy question. 4 raised to the power 0 1, and you can write 7 to the power minus 1 equals to 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 will be the answer. Now you have to solve 4th, 5th, 6th question. I will explain you question. 3 by 2, you can see minus 2 and then 2. So 2 2s are 4. The power will be minus 4 because minus sign is there. Now divide 3 by 2 minus 6. Now the division sign is there, so 3 by 2 minus 4 minus 6. Now what will be the answer? 3 by 2 minus 4 plus 6 means 2. So 3 by 2 raised to the power 2 will be the answer. So like this you have to solve this question. All the answers are given here. Now question number 5. Find the value of the following. Question number 1. 7 raised to the power 2 into 7 raised to the power minus 4 divided by 7 raised to the power minus 6. 7 raised to the power 2, 7 minus 4, 7 minus 6. Okay, multiplication signs there. So first we will add them. 2 minus 4 minus 2. Now divide 7 minus 6. Now when there is division sign, the power will get subtracted, means minus 2 minus 6, minus plus means minus 2 plus 6. The power will be minus 6. So 7 raised to the power 4 will be the answer. Now question number 2. 1 by 11 raised to the power 2 divided by 1 by 11 raised to the power 4. Now in division, power will get subtracted. 1 by 11 minus 2. Now after that you can write 11 raised to the power 2. Now 11 into 11 is 121, which is your answer. Now in the same manner you have to solve question number 3rd and 4th. Now question number 5. 1 by 3 raised to the power minus plus 1 by 6 raised to the power minus 1 and whole to the power 2 into 4 square. Now how you can solve this? First you have to write 3 because the power is 1 only, plus 6 raised to the power 1. So 3 plus 6 raised to the power 2 here, then multiply 4 to the power 2. Now 3 plus 6 9 to the power 2 into 4 to the power 2. Now you have to solve them separately. Why? Here you can see the base are not same here. Base are different, 9 and 4. So you have to solve them separately. So 9 into 9 81 and 4 into 4 16. 81 multiplied 16 multiply that 1296. Now question number 6. 1 by 11 raised to the power minus 2, 1 by 11 raised to the power 4. They are in multiplication, so the power will get addition. Okay, so 1 by 11 raised to the power 2 and whole to the power minus 2. So minus 2 into 2 minus 4. Now how we can write 11 to the power 4? Now you have to multiply 11 into 11 into 11 into 11. When you will solve this, you will get 14641. Now we will solve question number 8 here. You have to solve question number 7. 8. Here you have to solve them separately, or you can transfer them. If you can see in question 3 raised to the power minus 2, 4 raised to the power minus 2, 5 raised to the power minus 2. Now here 10 raised to the power minus 2 into 2 raised to the power minus 2. So when we convert numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator, all the sign will become positive sign. Okay, here we did the same thing. 10 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2, divide the same thing. Okay, now you can solve them easily. You know all the values. 10 into 10, 100 into 4, 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 4, 16, 5, 12. Now you can solve them. 1, 4, 1, 4, 4, 4 cancel, 1 by 9 is answer. Now we will solve question number 10. Minus 1 raised to the power 10 I multiply. If the number have power 0, so the answer will be 1. Now you know, if any number has power, if minus 1 has power even number, then the answer will be 1. 1 into 1 will be 1. Now question number 6. Put plus, minus, multiplication or division sign in the boxes. Now here you can see 6 to the power 2, 6 to the power minus 5 equals to 6 to the power minus 3. How we can get minus 3 sign if there is multiplication sign? Because in multiplication sign 2 minus 3 or 2 plus minus 3 will be there. That's why we will get, that's the only option to get 6 to the power minus the multiplication sign we will use. Now you can see the sign will get subtracted here in second question. 1 by 11, 8, and here it is 5. So when we will do 8 minus 5, then only we will get 3 here in RHS. So there will be division sign. Now 1, 1, so 1 and 1, and then we have to find out the answer 0. So which sign we will use? Minus. So like this. Solve this. Now in the next video we will solve our next exercise. Till that you have to complete this exercise and practice all the questions of these two exercises very well. Thank you and have a nice day.